Have you forgotten your Activision account password? If you want to reset your account without email and phone number, if yes, no worries. Here is a complete guide on how to recover your Activision account password using your iPhone without email or phone number. So let's dive right in. Solution 1, check your Google Password Manager. Open any browser, search Google Password Manager, tap on the official link. After that, search Activision in the search box. If they're available, your account password, you get the Activision account. Tap on it. Enter your password to verify it's you. After that, you will get your account password. If you use an iPhone to create an Activision account, please follow Solution 2. Solution 2. Check your iPhone Password Manager. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on Password, now unlock by your Face ID or password. Search Activision if available there. Tap on Activision, and on the password here, you can see your password. That's how you can recover your Activision account's password and username. Now, if you still have anything to ask, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching!